Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. Today, we are going to learn one of the most useful skills in English conversation.
That's right. Today's topic is small talk in English.
Small talk sounds simple, but it is actually a very important skill.
Because we use it almost every day.
Exactly. At work, at school, while traveling.
Or even while waiting in line somewhere.
Small talk helps us start conversations naturally. It helps us feel comfortable speaking English.
So today we'll learn useful expressions and practice real conversations.
And of course, we'll do several role plays. So let's get started.
Maya, what exactly is small talk?
Small talk is light, casual conversation.
So it's not a serious discussion?
Exactly. We don't usually talk about politics or complicated topics.
Then what do people usually talk about?
The weather, about work, travel, movies, hobbies, sports, food, or weekend plans.
Makes sense. That sounds much easier.
That's the idea. Small talk helps people connect.
Starting a conversation is the hardest part for me.
Then let's practice some simple conversation starters. Say this. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Excellent. Now try this. How have you been?
How have you been?
Very good. Another common one. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. And this. Have you been busy lately?
Have you been busy lately?
Excellent.
These sound very natural.
Because native speakers use them all the time.
We always hear people talking about the weather.
Because it's an easy topic.
Everyone experiences the weather.
Exactly. Try this sentence. It's a beautiful day today.
It's a beautiful day today.
Good. Now this one. It's really hot today.
It's really hot today.
Excellent. And this. Looks like it's going to rain.
Looks like it's going to rain.
Perfect. Are you ready, Alex? Let's do our first role play.
I'm ready.
Hi. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Maya.
It's nice to meet you too.
How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well.
Have you worked here long?
About 3 years.
Wow, I'm new here.
Welcome to the team.
Thank you.
I'm sure you'll enjoy working here.
I hope so.
Well, that was our role play. Now let's look at some of the other useful small talk topic.
Work is another common small talk topic.
Very common. Try this question. How's work been lately?
How's work been lately?
Excellent. Now this one. Have you been busy at work?
Have you been busy at work?
Perfect. And this. What do you do for work?
What do you do for work?
Very good. These questions can keep a conversation going.
Exactly, but people often ask about weekends too.
Yes. That's one of the most common small talk topics. Let's try this. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Excellent. Now say, what did you do over the weekend?
What did you do over the weekend?
Perfect. And this. I'm planning to relax this weekend.
I'm planning to relax this weekend.
Very good. Okay, Alex. Let's do another role play.
I'm ready.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Maya.
How are you today?
I'm doing well. Thanks.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. I'm thinking about watching a movie and relaxing.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I'm planning to visit my family.
That should be fun.
I hope so.
Have you been busy at work lately?
Very busy.
Same here.
That was a great practice conversation.
Yes, and you'll hear similar conversations in everyday English. Maya, what if I want to talk about hobbies?
That's a great small talk topic. Say this. What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Excellent. Now this one. I enjoy reading books.
I enjoy reading books.
Perfect. And this. I spend a lot of time watching movies.
I spend a lot of time watching movies.
Very good. Let's do one more role play.
Okay, this time I will role play as a traveler.
And I will role play as a fellow traveler.
I'm ready.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you traveling for work or vacation?
I'm traveling for vacation.
That's nice. Where are you going?
I'm visiting a beach town.
Sounds relaxing.
I hope so.
Have you been there before?
No, this is my first time.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Thank you. Oh, Maya, that conversation felt very realistic.
Absolutely.
Sometimes I don't know what to say next.
That's normal. Here are some useful follow-up questions. Say this. Really? Tell me more about that.
Really? Tell me more about that.
Excellent. Now this. That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
Perfect. And this. How did that happen?
How did that happen?
Very good.
These questions make conversations longer.
Exactly. They show interest.
How do I end a small talk conversation politely?
Great question. Try this. It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you.
Excellent. Now this. I should get going.
I should get going.
Perfect. And this. Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Very good.
Let's have a final small talk role play.
Both of us will role play as neighbors.
I'm excited.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Maya.
Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's a beautiful day today.
How have you been?
I've been doing well. How about you?
Pretty good.
Have you been busy lately?
A little. Work has been keeping me busy.
I understand. Work has been busy for me too.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to watch a movie and spend time with friends.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I'm planning a short trip.
That sounds interesting.
Hopefully the weather stays nice.
I hope so too.
Well, it was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too.
Have a great day.
You too. See you later.
Well, that was our role play.
So today we learn how to make small talk in English,
We practiced starting conversations,
talking about the weather,
talking about work and weekend plans,
discussing hobbies.
and ending conversations politely.
Remember, small talk doesn't need to be complicated.
Simple questions and friendly answers are enough.
The more you practice, the more natural your conversations will become.
So replay this lesson and practice speaking aloud with us.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you in the next episode of English Tour. Goodbye, everyone.